Fall is in full effect and we already know Uggs are a staple, but we can't have these Uggs hit the streets in these conditions. Time to rejuvenate. The Tasmans feature a low profile slip-in, slip-on silhouette that blends indoor slipper comfort with outdoor shoe durability. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I go by the name of Pretty Boy Rob and I will be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. As you can see, we got some fall vibes for you. We got these UGG Tasmans that are looking atrocious. These have been a staple in the wintertime for women, Vic, I mean, you name it. A lot of people's been rocking these, but not in this condition. So with that being said, we are gonna be cleaning them using our essential shoe cleaning kit paired with our Suede Revive bundle. And we'll talk about those a little later on the video, but with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right guys, our cleaning station is all prepped. We can go ahead and just get straight into this cleaning. But what we like to do is set one shoe aside so we can just show you that before and after results. Because I promise you, we are gonna get some crazy results. I know because I've cleaned Uggs in the past. So if you're at home and you got a pair of dirty Uggs, don't worry, trust the process, follow all these steps to a T, and you're gonna get some good results. With that being said, we always like to dry brush the sneaker, help kick off all this loose dirt, dust, and debris. But before I do that, we are gonna use one other product, and that's gonna be our Rejuvenator Shoe Tree. You can actually purchase these as a 2-pack on the website, or you can buy our signature shoe cleaning kit. They come in that as well. But again, for the sake of this video, just wanted to showcase that way when I'm applying pressure to this toe box, it doesn't cave in. And it just gives you that nice hard surface. So what I'm doing right now is just grabbing our soft bristle brush and really just brushing in multiple directions to help kick off some of this loose dust, dirt, and debris. That way we're not pushing it deeper into the material throughout this cleaning. But as you can see, the dry brushing method is only gonna do so much because there's a lot of deep trapped in stains in this sneaker. But I'm confident that the Rejuvenator products will get it right. All right guys, I'm pretty much all done dry brushing, getting majority of this dust off. However, one thing I want to do is actually take off the shoe tree and get a deeper scrub and brushing on the sheepskin that's inside the shoe. That's one thing what makes the shoe so popular is that soft sheepskin when you're wearing them, as well as just that durable premium suede upper. However, if you own these shoes, you're pretty sure that the inside material can get pretty matted down. So dry brushing that right now is also going to help just with that cleaning process.
Yo, before we get any further into this video, it's time for some housekeeping. Rejuvenator's Black Friday sale is live tomorrow. The entire site is 35% off. This is your sign to clean, protect, and revive every pair you own. Don't sleep, now's the time to save. With that being said, let's get back to the video.
Yeah, continuing speaking about the popularity of these shoes, they're definitely very popular. I know my wife actually asked for a pair, didn't buy them. I know Vic's girlfriend has a pair. And if you're at home, you're probably watching this video because you got a pair as well. All right, this dry brushing on the inside and outside is all done. It's just crazy to think though how popular Uggs have been. Since I've been a child, you know, they've always been popular as far as the high top boots. And then now, you know, this low top slipper silhouette is super popular in high demand. I know when my wife first asked for a pair, I couldn't even buy them because they sold out instantly. But right now we are just gonna proceed cleaning the shoe using our solution. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt some squirts. Unlike many slippers that are home-only use, the Tasman has a built-in outsole durable for the outdoor wear, or you can just lounge in them. All right guys, we're all done with that first pass using our soft bristle brush. One thing that I do want to highlight is when cleaning this type of suede or any suede really, you want to make sure you don't oversaturate the material because there's a chance for color bleeding. And I don't know how you can tell, but there's definitely some color bleeding on that towel just off the rip. So again, don't oversaturate your shoe. Give it a light, even pass over, clean that whole shoe completely even so it will dry evenly. After that soft bristle brush, if you're still noticing some deeper stains like we got right now, it is okay to proceed using your medium bristle brush. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Not only am I gonna use this medium bristle brush on those uppers, I'm also gonna use it to hit up this midsole. All right guys, I think we're done with medium bristle brush. It is a great all-purpose brush. Not only did it allow me to tackle this midsole and clean it up, but I was able to also get some deeper scrubbing in on these uppers. There may still be some deeper stains up on these uppers, but we can't really tell until the sneaker fully dries. But then I'm confident our dry suede kit will come in clutch for that. But right now, using the towel, pat dry these uppers, allow it to dry more evenly before we set it outside. But we're not ready to put it outside just yet because we still gotta take care of these outsoles using our stiff bristle brush. All right guys, we are breezing through this cleaning. These Tasmans are pretty much almost wrapped up. However, when cleaning suede, you have to allow it to dry properly. So that's why we're gonna go step outside, allow it to dry completely even. Then we will come back and we have to go ahead and reset this nap, but give us like 3 seconds and we'll show you how to do that. All right guys, we are back. We got these UGGs. They are from outside, a little bit crunchy, but don't trip. I got a few Rejuvenator products that are gonna help bring these back, and that's gonna be our dry suede kit. Horsehair brush, because that's gonna come paired with the mink oil. But we'll work on that a little later. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the eraser, spot clean some stubborn stains, as well as just use this to help me reset the suede and make it nice, plush, and buttery. According to the UGGs website, the Tasman is one of the best-selling UGGs of all time due to its timeless style and easy slip-on format. Basically, the UGG Tasman is a luxury slipper turned into an outdoor staple. All right guys, I'm all done resetting the suede. We definitely got some of that texture back and it's nice and soft to touch. No more crunchy suede. However, as you can tell, we did lose some color. So right now I wanna showcase how well our mink oil works. With that being said, I'm actually just gonna tape off half the shoe, apply mink oil to one half so you guys can see how well we'll bring back the color. The final piece. All right, that's my tape job. Don't judge me, I'm not Vic Almighty. But again, right now we are just gonna go ahead and apply a light, even coat and lather it in using our horsehair brush. All right, guys. The mink oil is all lathered up in there, rubbed in nice and deep like just how we like it. Right now, we're just gonna go ahead and do the reveal and see the results of the mink oil. So as you can see, this is what it looks like without mink oil. As soon as you apply that mighty mink oil, you're gonna get some great results every time. I mean, this camel is fully hydrated. Now we have that dehydrated camel on the other side. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these UGG Tasmans. Let me go ahead and bring in the dirty pair so you can see how well we got down. You can get results just like this by shopping all your shoe care needs with Rejuvenator. I advise you to hit that link in the bio. It's gonna take you directly to our YouTube shelf and you can shop all your shoe care needs. If you personally have some UGG Tasmans, all these products are what I highly recommend. You can get your essential shoe cleaning kit that comes with all 3 of your signature brushes, your soft, medium, stiff, solution, and a towel. But if you really wanna revive that suede and you guys saw how well this mink oil works, then I advise you get the mink oil, dry suede kit, and horsehair brush. You can get all those products individually or you can just cop our Suede Revive bundle. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all on another one. Adios.